everyone, we are here at KubeCon Detroit 2022 and I'm here with my good friend Michael. Michael, how was the experience for you?
It was really great. Met a lot of folks whom I've never met before in person, so I was really looking forward to everyone.
Amazing, and we're talking to Michael about around the CI/CD discussions here at KubeCon, and there were so many nice talks, and I'm sure you had a lot of discussions. I was seeing you running some nice sessions. You have like so many, like 2 booths or something. So from your experience, it's completely from the community standpoint, can you share a little bit more about the discussions you had with people around CI/CD at KubeCon? What are some of the challenges that they're facing and what the community is doing to address those challenges?
Yeah, I would say one of the ongoing challenges is always like making pipelines more efficient so they don't use too many resources, and also in a way to optimize this or maybe estimate that in a specific sense. So it's not like you run something and it's just a test, but you need to use container images, you need to pull certain things, you need to think about what is within CI/CD, what is actually running. Is it now a push-based model? Is it pull-based? Is it some sort of like GitOps being involved? All these different types of things need to be like well understood. And there's also like the way of where do I start? So my pipeline is being blocked or something isn't working, something is slow. What is like what could be the golden signals of pipeline efficiency or CI/CD pipelines, like the pipeline duration, how many jobs failed within a specific time frame, infrastructure monitoring, observability. I did a lightning talk at the GitLab booth earlier around using chaos engineering for figuring out that the CI/CD pipeline works, like injecting a DNS chaos experiment and saying, oh, the pipeline is now slow or something is broken. Is this like natural behavior? So I think this is like an ongoing challenge, and within different deployment methods with like either using merge request workflow or continuous delivery or progressive delivery, feature flags. I think this is a whole ecosystem to being able to understand and also like move further. So it's pipelines as code, if you will.
If you talk about the trends that we have seen, I was going around the area and I was asking people what is some of the hot topics that you're discussing. Most of the people said security. So where does that lie when we talk about CI/CD platforms?
I think security is not like somewhere at the end of the pipeline or CI/CD. It's well integrated, and I, as a developer, can take advantage of immediately seeing, okay, this implementation or something which is going wrong. There's automated security scans integrated into the pipelines. So whether it is being like a memory leak or a vulnerability, or something which could later on harm production and burn me out as a developer, this is something we can totally prevent. And it's amazing to see so many integrations, possibilities, scanners, also in the open source world, or with many vendors really pushing out the great open source projects they have, so that everyone can benefit and contribute.
Amazing. And just one last question is, what are you looking forward to? What are some of the trends we're likely to see in the CI/CD domain?
I would love to have more observability-driven development, which means that everyone, like DevOps, SRE, doesn't really matter on the role. We can take advantage of not only metrics, but observability data, tracing, logs, profiling, everything which also has been discussed with OpenTelemetry this entire week. And I'm really looking forward to finding a way with a framework and specification to have that within CI/CD, add chaos engineering, add, I don't know, things with eBPF and auto instrumentation, and really like make this available for end users and being able to really benefit from that.
Amazing. Well, thanks a lot for sharing, Michael. And to not agree more, so many people are mentioning eBPF, and I was talking to Grafana Labs about observability, and as well, they also mentioned the same thing. So yeah, thanks a lot everyone for joining in. And if you want to learn more about CI/CD, you can check out the links in the description below. For more clips from KubeCon, check out Civo TV on YouTube.